I am back at the Goodwill Bins today. I am really tired, so hopefully I can find some good stuff. That always puts a little pep in my step when I find some good treasures thrifting. Just walked in and they're refilling my favorite spot. Alright, I'm gonna go look around while I'll wait for them to put that out. Alright, they ended up refilling both sides of the walls. I couldn't film. It's just very, very busy in here today. But let me show y'all what I got. So I got these 3 things because I see these pretty often. So I want to see if maybe I can come up with a DIY for them. And then look, I got these little birds and these little candlesticks. And if you watched my last thrift flip video, then you may be able to guess what I want to do with these. Also got this huge spindle that I'm sure I'll use for some project, so definitely was going to grab that. And then I've been collecting these shaped frames to do a little project with. And then I got this little wood stool. I just thought it was really cute. It needs a little TLC, but that would be great just to put anywhere to lift something up. And then I almost passed on this because I don't like the color, but I'm thinking I could paint it and do something with it. I really love the spout because it's small and it's perfect just for one sprig of greenery. And then look at this. Do y'all know anything about this? It's white. It says made in China. I thought it was just very pretty. And then I found some leather sandals for the baby. They look like they're practically new. I got really lucky in the art department yesterday, so it's probably not going to happen again today. This is the only new piece that I see, and I'm not really interested in that. Well, not every day can be amazing, even though I really want it to be. So this is all I'm going to get today. I'll put a total on the screen, and I think we'll head to the regular Goodwill next. I am at the regular Goodwill. I try to come here about once a week, so let's go in and see what they have. Look how cute this piece is. Oh, it's sold. It was $60. That's adorable. They usually have a lot of furniture here, but the past 2 times I came, they have not had very much. Oh, what is this? It's $4.99. That is so cute. Just spotted some cherub bookends. They are $2.99 each. Oh, they're very, very light. And look, that one has a hole. That's disappointing. Oh, it might be $2.99 for the set. That price. I could fix that with some IOD clay. Oh, never mind. It has a huge crack right here. Okay, I'm gonna leave these. They had the boy and girl set of these a few months ago. Now one of them's back. It is $1.99, but I don't see the other one. They got some birds. These are little candle holders. They're $1.99. Unicorn. Now next weekend they're having their 40% off sale, so I'll definitely be here for that, but also we'll be here the following Monday when hopefully everything is restocked, because I'm seeing a lot of the same stuff that I have been seeing on the shelves. So I'm ready for them to clear it out and put up some new stuff. Look at this blue speckled enamel watering can. Let's see what the price is. Oh, it's from a store. It's not vintage. It is $3.99. Should I get this? Look at these adorable wood rocking horses. They are only $2.99 each. This one's a little bit bigger. They need to be painted up. I don't know if I should take on this challenge or not. Here's another little magazine holder. This one is $4.99. I don't think I told y'all, but I got this one. I mean, for $4.99, that is just too cute to pass up. All right, basket aisle. I'm definitely gonna get these next weekend. How long have these things been here? So next weekend they'll be $1.99. They're still here. They're coming home with me. Okay, I just saw something that was interesting. Yes, $2.99. Look how cute this is. This would be so cute painted white and distressed. I found another basket. This one has a really nice wooden bottom. It is $1.99, so this would be perfect to use in a DIY project. It's the canister aisle. They have this set of green canisters, and it has this cute little leaf on the top. And it is $8 for the whole set. Let me take this out so y'all can see what it looks like. I love it. It's kind of like off center. Really cute. I wish it was a different color green though. We have a green one right here, so I don't know. Maybe if they're still here next weekend, I'll grab these. Alright, I asked y'all over on Facebook and Instagram if I should get these, and it was the overwhelming majority of y'all said yes. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to cut this. I don't know why it's coming out so much. So I'm gonna get these, see if I can make them look beautiful again. Actually, I don't know. Maybe I don't even mind the paint on this one. I don't like the colors on this one, but this one's actually kind of cute. I don't know. I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get the 2 baskets and then the magazine holder, and that is all I'm going to get today. So I hope y'all enjoyed this shopping trip, and I will definitely see y'all tomorrow with a new video.